Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, today this is the eighth module of basic concept. Before we did in class 7 also decimals. So it is also decimals. Now don't confuse, that is for class 7, it is for all the classes 6 to 10. Now tell me what is decimals. Yes, a point on my face, it is a decimal? No, it is not a decimal. Okay, fine. There will be a whole number part and decimal part. Whole number part plus fraction. Okay, fine. Now listen you can see the screen, basic concept. You can see the screen, I think so. Yes. Green screen. You can see in the red color that note. Decimal is a fraction. We denominated 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. Oh God. Decimal is a fraction. We study fraction. We denominated 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like this. Here are some examples. 1 by 10. 1 by 10, that is 0.1. Listen here. 1 by 10. 1 0 is the 0.1. We can read this one 0.1. You study how can we read? 7 by 100. 2 zeros are there. So you had to put 2 decimal place. What is the decimal place of 7? No, decimal is here. You are moving here. That means we need 2 decimal place. Put the 0 here. 2 decimal places are there because of the 100, 0.07. Now listen here, 123, 1234 by 1000 suppose. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So you had to count 1, 2, 3. So 1.234. 1.234. We can read this one 1.234. Don't read 1.234. No. 1.234. We know this is 4. That means this is not ones. We can say this is ones here. You can see here also decimal numbers. Whole number part plus decimal part, that is called decimal number, or whole number part plus fraction. So 1, here 1, this one. Here I can say 1 is 1 plus 2 by 10, that means 2, this is tenths. You study that. No 10, this is tenths. Here it is 110, like that only. The number name here we can see decimal part is that side, and this part is the place value of the whole number part. Here 2 by 10, another one 3 by 100 plus 4 by 1000. That is 1.234. Expanded form of 1.234 is 1 plus 2 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 4 by 1000. You know very well that suppose here how many decimal places are there? 3 decimal places, not 1 decimal place. After the decimal, how many places are 27.27? Don't read this one 27.27. You can read this one 27.27. Okay, listen me. Dear children, please listen me. Now here 2 decimal place. 12.4567. Tell me how many decimal places here. Here, this is the decimal, 4 decimal place. So after the decimal you can see. If you are writing a number 3, 4, 5, you know very well that is this one, 5, 1, 4 tens, and 3 hundreds. This is 1. 1 tens, 100. That means 310, 300 means this is 300, 3 into 100 plus 40 plus 5. Exactly 345 means 300 plus 40 plus 5. Now suppose I am writing here 345.67. What is this? This is the decimal number. Here the whole number for 345 you can see. After that 67 means we can see it is not 6 tens. After that the decimal tens. Be careful, this is tens. You can see this is what I told you, tens means 1 by 10. This is 1 out of 10. Tens. 1 out of 10. Then this is 7. No. This is 7 by 10. That means 7 into 1 by 100. This is 100 place. This place is called 100th place. Hundreds. What is not 100? Hundreds. See the spelling, hundreds place. Here hundreds. 10. Here hundreds. Then thousands. Here ones, tens, hundred. Here no confusion. One, tens, hundreds. But here hundreds. Can you see? HUNDREDH, hundreds. It is not new for you. Study this one. That means place value whenever you are moving from LHS to RH. This is the number line. Can you see the number line? On this number line, I can, this is 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It is going on. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. You know the number line. This is integers. It is not my concept. We study many decimals are there between 0 and 1. Many fractions are there between 0 and 1. Now listen here. Fraction, part by whole. So what is decimal? Decimal is a fraction whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000. Be careful about the definition. Be sharp. Denominator must be 10, 100, like that. So what I am doing, I am taking from here. You know that between this is 0 and this is 1, this is 2. Here between 0 and 1, you can see half. It is a fraction. Half, you are a fraction. You are a decimal, I am talking now. 0 is there, between 0 and 1, no integers. Between 0 and 1, no integers are there. But many fractions. Correct or not? Many fractions. Half. Now I am telling half is a decimal. Dear children, half is a decimal because half means we can say we have to make the denominator 10 or 100. I can make it 10. How? 2 5s are 10, 1 5. Half is 5 by 10. 5 by 10 means 0.5. Am I right or not? Yes, sir. 5 by 10 means 0.5. 5 means 5.0 and 5 by 10 means 0.5. So I can write here 0.5. Are you following or not? Let me change the color. Listen. 0.5 I got. Here I can say I am cutting this one 10 parts. I cut this one half. Then what happened here? 4 parts. Again I need 10 parts means I can cut it again. Again 10 parts. Here you can see. Look here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts I want to cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly. This is 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, it is 10 parts. I cut this one 10 parts. Listen here. This is the cake 0 to 1. This is one cake, one full cake. I cut into 10 parts. Here you can see 1 by 10. Understand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what are you doing? 1 by 10 I want, sir. 1 by 10. Okay, fine, you can eat. That is 1 by 10, 0.1. This is 0.1. 0.1, this is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. Understand? So half, where is the half of the cake? You can see half. You know half is 0.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the half of the cake. That means we study this 5 out of 10. That means we know this is half. 5 out of 10 means 0.5. See the decimal. 5 by 10 is a decimal. What I did, half means I made the denominator 10. That means I cut the cake 10 parts. 1 out of 10 means 1 by 10. That means 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Don't write the 0.1. Then next is 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. That is half of the cake. 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. This is what is this? Here what I can say 9 by 10. This is 10 by 10. That is the full cake. We cut the cake in 10 parts. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 10 part. 10 out of 10 means full cake. 10 by 10 is not a decimal. That is 1. It is not a fraction. That is one cake only. One chocolate, one apple, one orange. You can slice the orange into 12 pieces or 10 pieces. 10 pieces. You are eating one slice of the apple. The people that you can peel that and eat one, that is 1 by 10. Or you can say your mother or father or your sister 0.1, please give me. Understand? Today from home, all of you please take an orange. That is good for health, vitamin C, I think so. So you can peel it, then you can, the slice is that, you can take out one, eat to mother. Don't eat, that is 0.1. And give me 2 pieces, 2 by 10, that is 0.2. Tell your sister, small sister, this is 0.3, don't take, she will wonder, what is this? That is 3 out of 10, okay, fine. Now, what I am telling here, this is decimal. Decimal is a fraction whose denominator is 10. Now tell me, suppose 3 by 4, 3 by 4. Yes, sir, you told me you had to make the denominator 100. Can you make 4? Can you make 10? No, not possible. 4 2s are 8. 12 is coming. In 4 table, 4 multiple, not 10 is there. We can say 100, 10 or 100 or 1000. So how many times we have to make? I want to multiply this 3 by 4. Denominator, I need 100. So what to do? Which number you have to multiply? Anybody? Yes. 4 into what number? Don't look the numerator. I told you in a fraction, denominator is very important. So look the denominator. So mother is cutting the mango. How many pieces? 1, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 10 pieces, 100 pieces. No, it is very, very small. I don't want that. Now 4. Yes, 100 divided by 4. You want make it 100? 100 divided by 4. Exactly, exactly. All of you clap for her. Good, 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 good. Clap. Clap. 3 times or not more than that. 10, 2. Here. How many times here? 8. Then 1 is the 5. 25. 4s are 100. Yes, 25. Double of that 50. Double of 50, 100. That is mental math. That means 25 fours into 25. That means 75. 325, 75 by 100. So 3 by 4 means 0.75. That is correct. We know that is 3 by 4 means mukkal nilabari. Adi point 0.75. 0.75. Yes. Half means 0.5. 5 by 10. This is 75 by 100. It is correct? Yes. Suppose here 7 by, what you want, 7 by 25. 7 by 25. How can we make this one 7 by 25? Same method you can follow. Yes, what I told. make the denominator 100, 1000, like that. I can make this 100, I think so. 25 into 100, no. 100 divided by 25, that is 4. Into 4, so into 4. 7 fours are 28 by 100. So what is this? 0.28. 0.28 means 28 by 100. This is your fraction. This is your decimal. Decimal is a fraction whose denominator is 10, 100,000. I think it is clear. Fraction to decimal. Decimal to fraction. There is an easy method for that. Look here, 3 by 4. You want to make this into, no, decimal? Yes, you can divide. You can make this one. We studied 4 into 25. 25. That means 75 by 100. 0.75. This is the decimal. 0.75. We did this one. 0.75. Understood? This is decimal. Decimal means denominator we are looking. It is a fraction. All operation we can do like fraction, like decimal, like the many things. Now, any doubt you can ask me. Decimal has decimal whole number part, and decimal part. Whole number part plus decimal part. That means fraction part. Whole number, whole number part. 3 is an whole number. Yes, 3.5. No problem. It is a decimal we can say. This is 3.5 means 3, 1 by 4. I don't say 3 by 2. 3, 1 by 3 plus. This is 3 plus mixed fraction we studied. 3 plus half. That means 3 plus half. We know that half, that is equal to, we study now, into 5 into 5. That means 3 plus 5 by 10. 3 plus 5 by 10. What is 5 by 10? 0.5. That means this is 3 plus 0.5. 0.5. That is 3.5. It is exactly correct. 3.5. 3.5. That means 3.5. 3.5. Don't do 3.5 like this. 2. Like that we can do 3 plus 3 by 2. It is not 3 by 2. It is not 3 into 2 by 1 by 2. It is 3 plus half. Mixed fraction. We studied very clearly. Mixed fraction means whole number part plus proper fraction. Like that. Decimal means whole number part plus decimal part. Decimal part means fraction. But denominator we have to make 10, 100 like this. Everything we can do very fast. 7, 1 by 4. Now listen here. 7, 1 by 4. 7, 1 by 4. Immediately 7 plus 1 by 4. Yes? That means 7 plus 1 by 4 you are doing. What is 1 by 4? 1 by 4 means just now we studied 1 by 4 into 25 into 25 times 25. This is 25 by 100. That is correct. Is Kalinamana Sambhale 1 by 4. E Kalala, Putala, 1 by 4. In Malayalam, I am talking about. 7 plus 25 by 100 means 0.25. That means 0.25. The answer is 7.25. Don't write the 0. 0, nobody is there. That is why we put the 0. Don't put any other number. So 70, no, don't put that. 7.25. So here, this is a whole number part 7 and decimal part 2.25. You have to read 7.25. Don't read that 7.25. 7.25. So tell me, what is this? 19. Don't write 19. Common mistake you are making. 19, no, 19, N is there. Don't eat E. 19.19, no. 19 point, don't put the 19.19. 19.19. Correct or not? Don't read 19.19. You study this one, I know.